Hi everyone, welcome to JUENFO Kitchen where we just enjoy food. So let's enjoy some Guinness Punch. Starting with the main ingredient, Guinness, Supligen, if you don't have Supligen, any one of those vanilla flavored meal replacement shakes can be used, such as a Nutrament or Ensure. Bearing in mind though that this is almost 10 ounces, so if you're using or substituting any one of those for this recipe, make sure that it's 10 ounces. I'll make a note of it in the recipe. Next, peanuts, and this is raw peanuts. If you're using roasted peanuts, make sure to use unsalted. The salted one might give this a bit of funny taste. Oats, some nutmeg, and this is freshly grated. Fresh is best, but if you have grounded, you can use that instead. Some vanilla extract and some condensed milk to sweeten. I'm using 1/4 cup, but if you want yours more sweet or less sweet, adjust it according to your taste. Blend until smooth. And then you want to put this in your fridge for it to get nice and cold before you serve. It will thicken up a bit because of the oats and the nuts that we have in it. If you want to have it right away, you can serve it up over some ice as well. I hope you enjoy this Guinness Punch as much as I did. Please help the video and channel by liking, sharing and subscribing if you haven't yet subscribed, and help us get to our first 1,000 subscribers. If you try my recipes, you're also welcome to tag me on Instagram at JUENFO_, and don't forget to follow me as well. My other socials are also linked down below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, live life to the fullest and just enjoy food.